Just over 3 years ago, Fatima fled Myanmar to join her husband in Thailand. Her husband had fled 2 years earlier. They're members of Myanmar's Rohingya community, which is largely excluded from citizenship. Violence in recent years against this Muslim minority has prompted many to attempt to leave the country. But instead of the better life he sought, Fatima's husband landed in a jungle camp along with other would-be migrants, she says, held by human traffickers looking to extort more money. When Fatima arrived at the camp, she was asked for ransom money she didn't have, she tells us. Her husband is now one witness among hundreds of others in a trial of suspected human traffickers and some Thai officials accused of collaborating with them. But he's still not free. He's kept in a shelter away from his family. For safety, Fatima didn't want to show her face. It's not her real name.
There are many traffickers still out there. We can't be here, we can't work here. If they find us, they will kill us. Many traffickers are not arrested yet.
The case is based on mass graves discovered last May. Hundreds of bodies were unearthed along the Thai-Malaysian border. But the trafficking had been going on for years. There are 91 defendants listed in the case, the most high-profile, Army Lieutenant General Manas Kompan. Back in December, one of the most senior Thai police investigators on the case fled to Australia. He's seeking asylum, fearing for his life because of what he called threats from influential figures. The government's attention into the trial playing out in this courthouse and human trafficking as an issue is unprecedented. But some feel it's not enough, and the investigation for this trial stopped early.
The authorities are handling this in such a way that we believe, unfortunately, it may amount to a show trial. There is evidence, in some cases evidence we believe that's already in the court's possession that would indicate a much broader list of people who should be brought who should be held accountable.
But he thinks Thai officials want to show they're progressing on their human trafficking crackdown. So they needed the trial to move forward. Even with the trial now underway, it's expected to take more than a year. Not good news for Fatima and her family, who not only remain separated during the trial, they don't know where they will go once it's over.